Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy again. And today topic is how to remove duplicate record in the SQL. And it is the most important questions we all face in our interests. And let us see and how we are going to remove the duplicate record from the MySQL database and SQL server. And so there are the two ways I am going to explain it today by using the group by clause and maximum function. And second one is by using the temporary table. As you can see it here in this table, this is the raw data. This table contains like the seven records. One record is the employee name James, second record is the James, and third is the James and John, Maria, and Mark. So it contains the duplicate record. You can see the duplicate records are the James and Maria duplicate records. We need to remove these records and we want the only unique records. And ultimately what the result we are expecting here is like the see these are the unique records. James and John, Maria and Mark should be there. Okay, and let us see then how we are going to implement this and what are the query I am going to use it here. Let me show you that, guys. Okay, so for this I am using this query in the SQL server. I have created the table here. Let me 1 minute. Okay, so I have taken this one, create table emp detail. ID is the column name, and int identity I have taken, employee name, where care department, and age and gender and salary I have taken. And I have inserted these many records into it, as already I shown you that, right? So I have already inserted the record. Let me go ahead and let me show you that. Okay, I will show you that. Okay, let me go ahead and I will show you here what and all data I have it here. It's here, employee. So I have already inserted the data into this. Select star from EMP table. Okay, so which method I am using here is group by clause and maximum. How many records are there? So see here, 7 records are there, right? So you can see it here, 1 2 3 4 5 till 7 is there. Oh, okay. So and we have to find the how many rows are duplicated. We need to find that how many times they have duplicated. We need to find that. For this I am going to use like the select employee name, department, age, gender and salary, and count star the total records. And I am going to find out the particular record, for example James, how many times it has repeated. I want to find out that before going ahead and removing the records. See here, let me show you how many times they have recorded. Okay, you can see it here, right? James, James, how many times it has been repeated? 3 times. And Maria, how many times? It has repeated only 2 times. And we need to remove the these two records only. And we have to keep only one record. For this, what we have to find out is what we have made the idea is we have to use the group by clause and the max clause. Already we are using the group by and the max here. Let me show you that. And what are the records I have to retain is what are the maximum ID here. Maximum this ID is there na? So I have to keep that. Let me show you what are the records is going to I have to keep it. See here, 3 4 5 6 7 record has to I have to keep it after the deletion of the remaining records. I want to keep this record. I am using the delete function here from here, where ID not in means okay, this and all ID I am keeping it. Remaining IDs I am going to remove it. And before that, let me show you the all the IDs here. See here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, correct na? So and I am going to see this, select EMP table. This is the before applying this group by and max clause and before deleting. Okay, so let me apply this. Select this and execute. Okay, this has been executed successfully. You can see here the query executed successfully here. Okay, let me show you the what and all records is left. We are expecting that only those records, right? See here only. Is there any duplicates? No. James has been duplicate row has been deleted, and Maria also has been deleted. Only unique records who are the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is it. Okay, this is using the group by and max, and let us see how we can perform the similar activity using the temporary table. You can explain any one of this to your interviewer. So let me go ahead and I will show you that in the MySQL database. Here also what I have done is I have created this database, and how I have created is, let me show you that. Okay, this is the MySQL database I am using by using the temporary table. And what are the this one query I have used is create table, table name, and I have used this like the column name, and where car the data types, respect to data types I have used it, and I have inserted these data to this EMP details. Just you need to execute these two queries and you will be getting the data in the MySQL database. I have created this and I have inserted it. Let me show you the data. See here, the 7 records are there, right? So I want the only unique records here. I want to remove this duplicates. How we have to? Already we saw the approach of using the group by and max function. Now we'll see the how we can achieve this using the temp table. Okay, let me explain you. How first we need to find out the unique records. How we can find the unique record? By group by clause. Let me show you. So now 7 records are there. So if I use the group by EMP name and department, is age, gender, salary, if I use this, the unique records it will show. Okay, see here, it is going to show the unique records. I want the final result as this only. You can see here already I shown you, right? So what we are going to use it here, see here. So I want like this. This is the same thing I have shown you, right? I want like this. Now, what is there? All the records are there, including the duplicates. I don't want the duplicates. So we are going to achieve how? First, we have to create the temporary table, insert the unique records. Unique records is coming from this query. So I am going to create the table, temporary table. How we can create the temporary table is create table, table name as like this, and inserting the these records. Okay, first create the temporary table, insert the record from this uh, select statement. It has inserting the all the unique record into this. Once let me show you that. Okay, and this what is this? I am going to create this, right? EMP detail 1. Let me show you, is there any records in it? There is no records. You can see here the temporary table does not exist at all. Okay, so let me show execute this and you can see the records. See here, poor records affected, right? So if I go ahead and I will see the record, means you are able to see the records. Poor records has been inserted. Those are the unique records. And I want the table name as EMP detail, not the EMP detail 1. I want the data in the main table. That is the reason what I have to do. We have to drop the existing table like the EMP detail 1. So for this, I am going to drop this. Okay, so I am going to dropping this 0 rows affected. Okay, so see here, if you select this now, you will not find the here. There is a no I have dropped this table, right? So drop, I have, there is a no tables it shows. And whatever already I have this data, right? Okay, 1 minute. So here the data is there, right? In this table I want to rename this. For the renaming, what is the syntax I need to use is alter table, old table name, rename to New table name I want is like this. That is the reason I am, let me execute this so that I will get the data in the main table. See here, 0 affected, right? So I have renamed that. Okay, now you will be able to see this. We have got the data in the main table, right? So this is what we are expecting here. Similar things we are expecting here, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 James, and there is a no duplicates here. You can see it here, right? James, John, and this is how we are going to uh, remove the duplicates in the SQL. There are the many other ways we can remove the duplicate, like the row number and using the city, all those things also we can achieve. But as of now, please learn these two techniques only. Don't hurry up and go ahead and you can learn all the many things at a time. Okay, only you learn these two techniques, you are good at it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share the screenshot to hr.urbiinfo@gmail.com and get the PDF file for this. Thank you for watching this video.